Okay, so here is a video for the Apartment Krill at Rust, near to Europa Park. So you just go through the door and you've got your kind of phone to let people in. There's a cupboard here with quite a lot of room actually, hangers in there, etc. Straight away to your right you've got your bathroom, no bath but a very good shower. Got that little inset bit there. Yeah, well stocked, plenty of towels, hoover, brush, etc. just through there. Come through here, here's the main living room. So you get your bed there, sofa bed, and you've got your kitchen over here, so a little table, fridge with freezer, so decent size. Chopping boards, etc. More bits and pieces in there. Loads of cutlery, absolutely tons of cutlery. So really well stocked. Coffee maker, kettle. There are bottles that you take back. Yeah, just loads and loads of storage, and a cooker as well. You don't normally get a cooker in these sort of places. You normally just get like a hot plate sort of thing. So yeah, there's plenty of stuff in the kitchen. So really impressed with the kitchen. You get the sofa bed that comes out, so that's your second bed, and then the bedroom you have quite a large bed in here. Oops, step over that, and show you here these things. If you pull them out, look at the window. It come out, so you've got shutters for the windows, which keeps it nice and secure and a bit cooler as well. So yeah, bedside tables, lots of storage in here for clothes, etc. And back into the main room. You've got a TV, we didn't bother using it, but there's a TV there with the large cupboards and storage units. Onto the balcony, decent sized balcony as well, with 4 chairs and a table, so we sat out here some nights. And then just over there is Europa Park. Now there is an exit, it's the hotel entrance, so you can't go in that entrance in the morning. You have to go to the main entrance, which is that way, and it takes you about 10-15 minute walk, but you can exit via that entrance at the end of the day, so it'll take you a minute literally to walk back from the Europa Park to the Apartment Krill. What you can do though is, if you come back for lunch, say at lunchtime or tea time, you can get a pass that lets you back in there, so you don't have to walk all the way back, if that makes sense. So yeah, locally, just over there you've got the Bell Rock Hotel, which is a Europa hotel, and just down that road you've got Lidl, and just on the corner of this junction here you've got a supermarket called Edeka. So loads and loads of amenities close by. Really impressed with the apartment. Good price, really friendly staff. You pick your key up from another hotel called the Pension Vanny, I think it's called. I'll put it in the description. But yeah, really impressed with it. Fantastic value. Improvement, the only improvement I could think of would be to have a fan in there. So if they had a couple of fans, one fan, just keep it a little bit cooler. Other than that, there's nothing else I'd say that could improve this place. So yeah, have a look online and hopefully you'll book it.